Let us have a look at Aussie dollar.
Wait. Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If this is your first time here, the big fella, that is the Scruffy Trader. What I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So if that sounds good, do take a second to hit that little subscribe button. Genuinely helps. And if you find value from any of the videos, smash the like and the super thanks. Genuinely keeps the channel on air. So what am I doing? Well, I'm just going to be trading today. There is going to be a couple of videos over the next couple of days around challenges with the prop firm, 5%ers. And if you want to sort of follow the journey and come along, drop in the description. There is a link to it and you'll get 5% off. And that's about it, really. It's been quite quiet on the Western Front. Just had a little bit of a break. Had a wonderful time at Comic Con. It's where I've been if you've missed me. Hallelujah, hallelujah. It was super. I had a wonderful time. And now it's back to the day job. And let's have a look, see where we're up to. Well, as always, guys, I keep the Scruffy Squad running. Each morning, put in the strengths, which is here. And it pulled out the Aussie US as a good contender. Now, when I was doing this morning, sort of 7 o'clock, there was nothing really kicking. And as you can see, I've been doing the biases throughout the morning. And we're coming into 10 o'clock. It's currently 10:15. And it's now triggered as a sell. Okay, got something to work with. Now, I always go a little bit further for the scruffs because I'll break it down. As much as they can see on the strength sheet what I'm up to, I like to actually break down and tell them not only what I'm going to be trading, but the how and the why I'm going to trade it. You know, because X does not mark the spot. You've got to be able to read what's going on. And then they have the video so they know exactly what I'm going to be doing right now. So let's have a little look, see where we're up to. Well, at this moment in time, we are kind of focusing on a short. You can see it here, but we're a little bit close into this zone. It's all right, but I think it could be better. I would prefer it in here. So I'm going to hang fire. And I'm either going to enter in the green zone or I'm going to enter the break of the red zone. Now, ideally, the higher up, the better. Okay, because I kind of want to stay in this trading arena. Now, if I move this out to 4 hours, you'll see that this is pushing heavily. It's had a go at recovery. It's tried to push up, but now it's slamming down. But it's also had quite a reasonable amount of selling, which tells me there's some relief. Now, if there is relief, I don't really want to be caught in it. Hence why I want it to go a bit higher. However, it breaks through here, then the journey is back down. So I'm going to have a little bit of a think about this, see what I want to do. But overall, 4 hours pushing down. The hourly is confirming that. And if I look at a trading chart, which is the 15-minute, you'll see it is as well. And then I've zoned this out ready, just so I can mark this up a little bit. Now, this particular market isn't the fastest in the world. So I'm only looking for, I don't know, 5-10 pips out of it. You know, and yes, people are going to go, you just scalp the market. If you're a day trader, you're a scalper. It's that simple. You know, my job is to extract money from the market. That's it. You know, doesn't matter how I do it, but as a day trader, which I think is slightly different to a scalper, is I have a single idea of an entry point and exit point, and then yes, I will scalp a little bit in and out of the market, but it's all part of a single move that I'm looking at. It's not a case of trying to catch the waves. I have a top, I have a bottom, and then I'll just work those 2 points. Simple stuff. Anyway, guys, let me run the trade, and then I'll come back to you at the end, and we'll see whether it's good, bad, or indifferent. I don't have anything running at this moment in time, and I haven't done anything because this is my first day back from break. Okay, so let's see what we can find. Okay, guys, stopped out. Winky's off to go get me a coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. And he loves the charts as well. It was a simple premise. Don't want to outstay my welcome. I've got 74 quid out of working from that zone to that zone. Now, it is pushing in. I pulled the stops simply because it was a high probability it would bounce back off it. And that's what I'm always trying to do. When we were talking about scalping earlier on, our job is just to get the money. That's it. And I don't want to see it come and then go all the way back into negative to come forward again. Thank you very much. How good is she? She's great, isn't she? What I want to do is get the money out, and if it does come back up and I so wish to re-enter the market, I can. Likewise, if this bursts here and I decide I'm going to just continue with the short and wait for it to get through here, what have I lost? Just this little bit of pip here. But it then becomes a safe trade. Why? Because these levels are rock solid and they bounce price. So if it bounces through, comes up, it can bounce up and then go back down again. Safe trade. So there you go, guys. I will be working throughout the day as I do. So if you want to see the results, just keep an eye on social media, sort of my Instagram, Facebook, that sort of thing. You find all the links below. And you'll see what I do daily, day in, day out, just grinding away. And that's what trading is. All right. If you're swinging for the fences all the time, it doesn't happen that often, guys. You know, just get paid and you'll be fine. Anyway, so if you enjoyed the journey, do subscribe. And if you are stuck, as I say, there's a lot of links down in the description. There's a lot of my contact details. There's a Telegram that I set up for you guys. It's all free. And it's just because I'm sick to death of going into forums and it's seeing morons and sort of signal sellers and course sellers and people who are just clueless, to be honest. So I set it up so you can talk freely amongst yourselves, and I do drop in from time to time. And if you're stuck, you'll always catch me there. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.